You sold the 3x. Then you watched it do 50x without you. And you've told yourself it was bad luck. It wasn't luck. It was fear. And fear is fixable. So let's fix the exact reason you keep selling your winners and holding your losers. Here's the uncomfortable part. You never actually had a plan for the upside. You had a plan for the pain. The second a coin turned green, your whole body wanted out. Lock it in. Be safe. Breathe. That's not strategy. That's relief. And relief is the most expensive feeling in this entire market. It feels like winning. It costs you the actual win. Because the same fear that yanks you out of a winner at 3x freezes you on a loser at -80. You sell the thing that's working to feel safe. And you marry the thing that's bleeding to avoid feeling wrong. That's paper hands. It's not a character flaw. It's just unmanaged fear. And unmanaged fear can be managed. And here's what nobody tells you. Conviction isn't something you're born with. Conviction is something you engineer before the trade even starts. It's built, not felt. So here's how the people who actually hold are built different. They're not braver than you. They're sized better than you. Tip 1. Size the position so a dip can't scare you out. If a 40% drop makes you want to vomit, your position is too big. Simple as that. Cut it in half. Then cut it again until a red candle is boring. A bag you can sleep on is a bag you can hold. That's the whole secret. The size is the strategy. Tip 2. Decide your exit before you enter. Write it down. Where you take some off. Where you let the rest ride. If you're deciding what to do while the chart is moving, you've already lost. You're trading on adrenaline, not a plan. Tip 3. Take profit in pieces, not all at once. Sell a little at 2x to get your money back. Now you're playing with the house's chips. And the rest? You let it run for the 50x you'd normally never catch. You can't time the top. So stop trying. Trim on the way up and keep a runner. Nobody nails the exact peak. You don't have to. Tip 4. Separate the thesis from the price. Ask one question when it dumps. Did anything actually change, or did the number just scare me? If the reason you bought is still true, a dip is noise. If the reason is gone, then you sell, winner or loser. Now here's the part that quietly rewired how I hold. You can actually watch what smart money wallets are doing in real time. Not what they tweet. What they do. The terminal I use is Axiom. I track the wallets that win, and I watch them on Pulse, the live feed of what's actually getting bought. And the lesson is brutal once you see it. The wallets that make it don't flinch on a dip. They sit. When you watch a winning wallet hold through a 40% candle that would have shaken you out, you learn what conviction actually looks like on a screen. You learn to sit when they sit. Quick honesty, because you deserve it. This is not financial advice. Memecoins are extremely high risk, most people who touch them lose. Never trade more than you can afford to lose. Ever. If you want the same setup I use to track those wallets, the link's in the description. So let's go back to that 3x you sold too early. You didn't sell because the coin was done. You sold because you couldn't sit. Size it small enough to hold. Plan the exit before you enter. Trim in pieces. And watch what the winners hold, not what they say. Paper hands sell the 3x. Diamond hands planned for the 50x. Be the one who planned. Subscribe and I'll keep making you a sharper trader, one video at a time.